A woman, an ex-boyfriend's front door, 3 officers, 4 criminal charges, every single one dismissed. Here's why the law said so.
Reason why you keep knocking on that door? Okay, well I need you to come over here away from the door. Do what? No? Ma'am, step away from the door.
Alright, go inside. Tomorrow, I don't want her here. She's been asked to leave many, many times. She doesn't want to leave. I don't want her hurt. I don't want her arrested. I just want her out of here, please, and I want it noted. I want a report. You could see she's been doing this forever. I've been waiting for my glass to come in and break. She dated my son. They're not together anymore, and I don't want her on my premises. This is my home,
Okay.
and I don't want her here, and this is my son. And I don't want him coming out of here because I don't feel safe with her, with him.
Okay. Ma'am, what is your name? Ma'am, what is your name? Does she have mentally?
That's why I don't want her in trouble. I just want her to understand she's not welcome here.
What's her first name? Since she doesn't want to answer me. Sandra?
Samantha?
Samantha? Samantha, are you hearing what she's saying? Hello? Samantha, do you have your driver's license, your ID with you? Okay, this is going to last for a couple more minutes till my other deputy gets here, and then she's going to have 2 routes. One, she's going to answer me, or she's going to go to jail.
Answer him, or you're going to leave. Okay?
Oh, no, she's going to go to jail.
Okay, so please, that's not what we want.
Stop. Just give me your driver's license.
Okay, I don't have it with me. You still need to leave.
Well, then you need to talk to me. Level's at 0 right now, so you can knock that crap off. I can understand how relationships and stuff like that can be very, very volatile. But this is not the way to act like it, because I'm assuming you're an adult. All right? What is your last name? Amanda, what is your last name?
Samantha, if you keep obstructing him, he is going to put you in cuffs. Just give him the information.
This is Mom. This is ex-boyfriend, and this is...
You need to go inside.
It's Samantha, correct? And this is Samantha, who's not wanting to answer any questions or have anything to do with police, and refusing to leave with her telling her she wants her to leave.
Samantha, you're currently trespassing. Do you have ID on you? You don't? Or are you not going to provide it?
I don't have it.
Okay, I'm asking.
No. Do
Are you
your
going to leave?
registration in your car? You have your registration in your car?
Can you run that tag right there on that car?
I'm sure I'm about to show you registration.
Are you going to leave right now off this property?
Is this her car right here?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that a yes or no?
Sam,
I'm not going to ask you again.
Sam, they're not playing with you. We just want you to leave our home. We don't wish you any ill will. You're just not welcome here anymore. You need to leave. Why would you want to go and obstruct justice and get yourself into trouble when you're being given the chance by 3 officers to leave here who are being very respectful and calm with you and giving you the chance to go to your home and deal with whatever it is that you need to deal with today? And not be here and get yourself in trouble. It's not worth it. You just can't stay here. You can't be banging on. That's going to cause you problems later. If you get arrested, then you got to go back to court. Then you're considered a stalker. Then you're obstructions of justice, not listening to a police officer.
Are you going to leave right now?
Please leave. And do not come back.
Is that a valid deal?
Yes or no? Okay. So you heard her. She wants you trespass from this point. It's on camera. If you come back on this property and we catch you here, you go to jail. You understand? All right.
Thank you.
Florida statute, section 8 to 10.0 is clear. Remaining on property after a verbal warning constitutes trespass. The homeowner issued that warning on camera in front of officers. The legal threshold was met. Officers had authority to act. Samantha refused to identify herself. Under Hibble v. 6th Judicial District, 542 U.S. 177, decided in 2004, compelled identification is only lawful after a valid Terry stop. No detention had been formally established. Her silence held.
I don't know. 27, like. Show Samantha 27 on this property. Go get her! Signal 12.
She's gonna kill somebody.
Yep. Go, dude! What are you doing?
Officers drew their firearms during the vehicle stop. This is a use of force event regardless of whether shots are fired. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, decided in 1989 sets the standard. Force must be objectively reasonable under 3 factors: severity of the crime, immediacy of threat, active resistance. Here, minor traffic infractions, no weapons, no aggression. None of the 3 Graham factors support drawing a firearm. That decision is the central legal vulnerability of this encounter.
We're slowing down. We're coming up to West Virginia Street.
Unlock the door.
You didn't do anything.
Get out of the
Get her
car!
out.
What did I do?
Get out of the car!
Oh my God! What did
Get out of the car!
Wait, what did I do?
Give me your hand.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Don't move!
What did I
It's
do?
over.
What did I do?
How about run a stop sign, squeal your tires, and you fail to yield? Now you're under
I
arrest.
didn't fail to yield.
The fleeing charge fell under Florida statute, section 316.1935, which requires willful refusal to stop upon a lawful signal. Willful means actual knowledge. Samantha denied knowing she was being pursued. Pursuit initiated 2 miles from the original scene. Without proof of knowledge, the willfulness element fails. The prosecutor dropped the charge. The statute made that outcome predictable. The resisting charge under Florida statute, section 843.0-2, requires obstruction of an officer in lawful execution of a legal duty. If the predicate stop lacked legal basis, the officer was not in lawful execution and the resisting charge collapses with it.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not. When I exit the
27:48.
community,
It's 10 to 10.
Get up.
what did
Get
I
against the car.
Can you guys explain to me what did I do?
Oh, yeah. Turn around.
Can you guys explain to me?
We just told you.
I did not fail to yield.
You squealed your tires in the neighborhood. You blew the stop sign.
I squealed my tires because the
Now you're
car.
going to pull you over. You didn't want to stop. All the way from.
Because
We are 2 miles
I
away
see
from that.
this entrance, that's why I stopped here. Right here by
No,
the
you
entrance.
could have pulled in the gas station at City Hall. Any street turn lane.
But I didn't understand why you guys were coming after me.
Okay, that's not how that works.
Now, you got this one?
Oh, yes.
All right.
No, you're under arrest. Your car's getting towed.
Can I
What's wrong with today? Are you short enough to fit in there?
All right, I'm going to read you something.
Miranda warnings were administered post-arrest before questioning. Timing was correct under Miranda versus Arizona 384 U.S. 436, decided in 1966. Samantha interrupted mid-advisement to ask about the firearm. The officer completed the warning before responding. Procedure held.
And I'm going to go from there, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish.
Can I ask you why you pointed a gun at me?
Hold, stop. Let me finish, okay? You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
I just want to understand.
Do you explain each of these rights?
Understand.
You want me to read it again?
No, I need to understand
Okay.
why you were so
Stop.
fast to pull a gun out on
Go ahead.
for me squealing my wheels and not knowing
10-4,
where to
thank
stop.
you.
4 charges filed. The 13th of November, 2023. Fleeing charge dropped the 6th of February, 2024. All remaining charges resolved in Samantha's favor. No convictions, no civil action found on record. The officer receives a C+. De-escalation at the residence was patient and lawful, a genuine strength. The firearm draw during a low-threat stop is the critical deduction. Graham versus Connor demands objective justification. On these facts, that justification was not established. Samantha receives a B. She complied with the lawful trespass demand. All charges dismissed. Silence under ambiguous detention was constitutionally defensible. Her question about the firearm draw was legally perceptive and ultimately the right one to ask. 3 takeaways. 1. Fleeing charges require proven willfulness. Pursuit distance and subject awareness are facts courts will scrutinize. 2. A defective stop voids every charge built above it. Resisting arrest cannot stand on an unlawful predicate. 3. Drawing a firearm is a use of force event. Traffic infractions alone do not satisfy the Graham versus Connor standard. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.